Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can install GitHub on Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. First, we need to download the installer file. Open any browser and go to desktop.github.com. On the website, you'll see the option to download GitHub Desktop. Just click on Download for Windows and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. The installation process will start automatically. Let me minimize the browser here. You can see the GitHub Desktop setup window. After the installation is complete, you'll see the Welcome to GitHub Desktop screen. To start using it, simply sign in to your GitHub account. Once signed in, you'll be asked to authorize GitHub Desktop. Just click on Authorize Desktop, then click Open. Next, configure Git by clicking Finish. That's it. You're now ready to use the GitHub Desktop application on Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.